People are pushing people in the track. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video, and I'm gonna be doing, like, I don't know, maybe a day in a life, maybe a few days, but today I'm gonna be getting my hair done. Right now I am on my way. This is like my second day on the road, so it's like taking me longer than usual. I have to drop my car off at the mechanics, which I'm at right now. Shout out to Stokely for doing my hair. This is very not professional, but he puts up with me because I'm always a few minutes late. Sorry, Stokely. Today I'm gonna be doing a sew-in. As you can see, my hair is already washed, blow dried, detangled. The bundles are secured. I'm gonna be using these Love Me bundles. They sent it to me. How kind of them. I have 3 bundles and a closure for them to come and get this car, and then my mother, who's in front of me, is going to be dropping me there. It's a very complicated situation, but you took the car, you parked it yourself, and ever since that day you've been driving on your own. People are not nice to me when I'm driving. They're just so angry. I don't even know how to park. So let's say I was to drive. I could drive, but I can't park. If I was to go somewhere, the car has to stay.
I see you. I'll be back real soon. Just make sure you don't give it to no one else.
I'm here.
She said I make her feel no regular, less stress, regular, cocktail sip, regular, freaky text, regular, X wash, regular, no regular, nothing, regular, never.
What's your Dunkin' order?
I think I'm gonna get like a raisin bagel with jelly and
Cream cheese?
bacon. Yeah, that's what I usually get.
From here?
I got it once, but I forgot the water.
Okay, so we're back into the shop. Okay, Duncan.
What side you want it now?
This side. Good.
Is like this deep good for you?
Yeah. It should be fine.
What is this you're eating? It smells good.
From Dunkin', it's a wrap. Yeah. My lashes sticking to my eyes.
At first, when you don't really know the words, like if you don't like the song and it's just annoying in your ears, I see how you hear the rap.
Rat?
Yeah.
It gets worse.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Imagine sitting down with
It's
the
very
whole album.
squeaky at some points. When you first sing,
Like, come on.
I can't believe y'all.
I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you.
10 hours later, we're finally done.
This phone fucking me. Keep fucking. Okay.
So I'm back home from getting my hair done. This is a quick weave sewing. No, it's not a sewing, it's just a quick weave. I used 3 bundles and I love it. It's so natural. And I have to do my makeup to just like break the look in. But yeah, I'm home. I just ate a little something and I'm about to head right back outside. It's mad cold outside, but I'm just gonna head back outside and go to Apple because I want to edit this video, and to edit it I need a laptop, and my laptop is so slow. Like, I have a 2018 MacBook, 2019, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 7 years old. Why are you acting so slow? So I'm gonna go to Apple and hopefully they can do something about it. Why today the camera on the back of my phone is cracked? And this is before I made the appointment, so it's a perfect timing for me to go and see if they can do anything about it. I don't think I have Apple Care, warranty, anything. I have a 5:15 appointment. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:45 p.m.
It's 3:45. I have to leave now. It's gonna take me an hour and 15 minutes, and I have a 5:15. 3:45, 15 is 4 in an hour. It's 5:15, yeah. I have a package from Jaded London. Are some shorts. Ooh, cute. These are cute, and they got the little details. This is in a size medium. I only got 3 things, and all 3 of these came out to $100. But I had a gift card from my job for $100, and this was $100. So I was like, why not? So I have this top. Okay, this was like $60, and it's like literally a piece of cloth, but okay, pop off, queen. And last but not least, this is a shirt. Apple, here I come, and y'all better fix my stuff. I finally got off the train. I don't know if you can even see me, but it took mad long because every train was delayed. My appointment was at 5:15. It's like 5:20, and they only hold your spot for like 15 minutes. You're considered a walk-in at that point. So I really hope that doesn't happen. If you know what's going around in New York City right now, like people are pushing people in the tracks, people are burning people on fire, and I just didn't want to be that girl, so I was being very cautious. I didn't even pull this out like when I saw it was like mad people, because I really don't play that. The last time I was at the train station, I got a cup of mangoes thrown at me, so I really didn't want anything like that to happen. I was very alert, but now I'm on my way, so when I reach Apple, I'll let you guys know. Y'all, I'm about to cry. I went to the wrong place. I was supposed to go to the Apple in World Trade Center, and I'm in some regular like tech place, and that's not the place that I put in. I'm so mad. So I ended up leaving because this is not even, I'm so mad. This is not Apple, this is Micro Center. So basically I made an appointment at Apple for 5:15, like I've been saying. I put it in my GPS when I was at home, and it gave me a route. However, when I left my house, when I was putting it in, it gave me a different route, and I was so confused, like what train am I taking? It didn't tell, like nothing in me told me to double check it. I just was following the route. I ended up here. This is not Apple. To even look at my computer, to even touch my computer, they're asking me for $50. And it's not like I don't have the $50. Yes, I have the $50. But why would I give you $50 just to check my computer? I don't know what's wrong with it. Why would I give you $50? Apple would never do me so dirty. I did it for free and not charge me $50. Because I was like, okay, like let's just say there was a virus on it. Let's just say there was like any issue. The $50 wouldn't even cover it. So why would I give you my hard-earned $50, sir? He was nice and all, but I just wanted to pinch him. Oh, I just wasted all my time traveling here for my computer not to even get touched. Not even fingerprint laid on my computer today. So now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going home. And I'm going home mad. How do I get home though? This is the problem. So I made the decision to take an Uber home. And that's basically the $50 that the man was asking me for. So I took an L today. Many. Huh? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I'm just gonna get a snack to eat in my Uber, because I can't take the train because I'm going to Corpus Land. Like, it's just not going well. Let's see how much these mangoes are. I might get this $4. My Uber's finally here, but he is driving away. Yo, so I'm finally home after the long day that I had. So in the end, I didn't make it to my original appointment. I didn't get my laptop fixed. I didn't give them my $50. I don't know, maybe I might end it here or just like continue tomorrow, but if not, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Attraction, attachment, you need more interaction. You said my response is slow, convos making the bonders grow. I can tell you need love, babe, it's all in your undertone. I'm trying to get under your skin, so you might as well take off the clothes. Lay up on my shoulder, come a bit closer. You on me different, it's over. I'm feeling so high when I'm sober.